secured their second T20 World Cup title with a win over South Africa, ending a 17-year wait. The thrilling victory at Kensington Oval, Barbados, was marked by emotional scenes and unforgettable moments. Star all-rounder Hardik Pandya was the hero, defending 16 runs with nerves. We will be talking about all of that happened in the match last night. But first, let's go across to my colleague Soumya, who's joining us live from New Delhi. But before that, in fact, I am now joined by Viral Desai, a journalist, and he is at Barbados at the moment. Viral, a very good morning to you, and in fact, a big congratulations to you for the ecstatic win of T20 World Cup for India.
Yeah, hi. Thank you. And it's at night 10 o'clock over here. And it was a very emotional moment, very nice moment after 2011. We are winning a big cup and the atmosphere over here is very nice, very good. In fact, all fans are yet waiting for the cricketers. They are having a short dinner, a get-together over here. And they are all still waiting to meet them, greet them, wish them. And it's a real good fun and a good atmosphere to be in such a place.
Well, yeah, I'm sure. And I mean, India has been in great form throughout the tournament, but then everybody had the memories of November 19. Did you also were cautious? Were you cautious? Were you sure the cup is going to be ours?
We were sure the cup would be ours, but still 2023 finals, we lost, how we lost. And in this, there were some moments when we thought that the match would run away. But then the Bumrah, Bumrah, who just really came in, bowled the ball, bowled the over, and then the match swung in a way. And it was fantastic, an emotional moment where there were tears in eyes of people all around the stadium. There was lot of entertainment and fun. Everyone was really enjoying. And not here, in fact, in India, back in home India also.
Oh, well, absolutely. But then there was also a heartbreaking moment for the fans as both Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma announced their retirement from the T20I. Did you see that coming?
Yeah, we saw that coming because, and this World Cup goes to those two guys. They have really given them the best to the team. Always they have given in 2023 and now again, this T20, they have given a lot and they really deserve this.
So who do you think will be the next unit to lead the opening for the team?
I think so. There are a lot of young players like Jaiswal is there and many other, and there's Rinku Singh in middle order. And there are players who can just take over from them. And still we have a very good unit to fight back. And with Rohit and Kohli, even Rahul Dravid has announced his retirement as a coach from this. So for him also, it's a congratulation to him to take this cup. He also deserves a lot along with them.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And let's talk about King Kohli first. I mean, he really propelled the team to victory with his 76-run knock yesterday. I mean, like they say for him, cometh the hour, cometh the man. What do you think will be your fondest memory of King Kohli? And who do you think can anchor the team now?
My fondest memory of King Kohli was at Melbourne when India had lost lot of wickets against Pakistan and he took the game single-handedly and won us that game. And again, when the final came, always a good, he always performs in these times and he has given us the same. And from here on, I think so, Hardik Pandya can take over the captaincy and he can take it to the next level. And there are good young generations who is coming in, good players. We have a lot of good bench strength is good, so I don't see any problem.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And that, in fact, brings me to talking about the hitman, Rohit Sharma. You know, he's led the team to a victory after 17 years. The captaincy was, of course, remarkable. And like you said, Hardik Pandya will be a good contender to take over. Who do you think else could be a good fit for the position to take over Rohit Sharma?
I think so. Yashasvi Jaiswal is very good. He also takes on the bowlers in the opening slot. But as a captain, I think so. They are persisting with Hardik Pandya and it should be kept because the momentum is right now with the team and that should be going on.
Oh, yeah, and absolutely. And Jasprit Bumrah, let's talk about him as well. He's really outshone, you know, throughout the tournament. a fantastic economy rate of 4.17, and he's picked up those many wickets as well. Let's talk about the Indian bowling attack as well that really propelled the team to winning every single game in the tournament.
We have a very good bowling attack. Bumrah, last time in the World Cup at Melbourne in Australia, we definitely missed him. But this time, he was there. Whenever the captain gives him the ball, he has always given his best. He's always given us the wicket, always given us a maiden over, maiden ball. And that's a too good. He's a perfect bowler. He bowls his Yorkers. He swings the ball. He can read the batsman like any other bowler. Very nice bowling by him. And the spinners, apart from him, Akshar was good. Chahal was good. So Kuldeep Yadav was good. So there are a good bunch of bowlers who can take over. And Siraj is also in the pack strength, and maybe Shami would join in after he recovers. So we have a good bowling unit with the batting.
Oh, well, absolutely. Stay with us, Viral. I'm also joined in now by my colleague, Soumya, who is reporting live from New Delhi. Soumya, very good morning to you as well. Take us through the mood on the ground.
Yes, Kriti, right now I am near India Gate, and the mood is all set from last night because we have visuals from last night all over social media. People celebrating there. It's safe to say they're still in that hangover of celebration. I have few people here with me who they celebrated till late night but still are on their regular routine. Let's talk to them and find out what were they feeling when the results were out and how did they celebrate. So ma'am, what was your reaction when India won?
Well, I think it was like a jubilation when India won. After 17 years, winning this cup means a lot. I have twins and we just jumped out of our sofa sets and we were like all hooray. There were firecrackers all over and it was just the most elating moment because I'm so proud of our team and, proud being an Indian today. We let India shine all throughout and victory for India. Great work.
Let's find out how did people from New Delhi celebrated this big victory. Ma'am, what was the celebration around your area yesterday?
All around there were firecrackers, a jubilant moment. Everybody was in spits of happiness, and the Bumrah ka bowling and Hardik Pandya ka pressure. This is all the input I'm getting from my sister, my brother, that this is what happened because I'm not a die-hard cricket fan. But I'm really proud of India. Kudos.
And with that, we also got the news of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma retiring. So let's find out, did people expect that retirement soon after the victory? Sir, जैसे उन्होंने announce किया तो क्या आप लोग expect कर रहे थे ये?
नहीं, बहुत दिल तोड़ दिया उन्होंने. उन्हें अभी तो उनमें बहुत चार्ज है. अभी तो उन्हें और बहुत खेलना चाहिए. कल वाला मैच देख के तो बहुत मज़ा आ गया. मतलब बिल्कुल सारा मसालेदार मैच था. उसमें सब कुछ था. मतलब अच्छी बॉलिंग, बुमराह की बॉलिंग तो ऐसे लगता है जैसे कोई खेल ही नहीं सकता. और क्या कैचेस थे, मतलब कैचेस विन मैचेस, मतलब कल दिखा दिया. कल इंडिया वाज वेरी गुड, हर चीज़ में परफेक्ट. और मैच तो बहुत ही कभी दिस साइड टिल्ट, कभी दिस साइड टिल्ट. मतलब इट वाज परफेक्ट मैच, परफेक्ट फॉर द फाइनल. मतलब कल तो उसे मैच देखना वसूल हो गया.
So Kriti, see, this was the mood yesterday and people are still in that hangover. So it's safe to say for every 19th November 2023, now we have 29 June 2024. Back to you.
Oh, well, thank you for bringing us those voices of the fans, and even those who are not big cricket fans but are absolutely jubilant and ecstatic over the win last night. Let me come back to you, Viral. Now, Rahul Dravid is all set to retire as the head coach as well. Who do you think it's going to be the next one?
I think so. There were contenders like Gautam Gambhir is there, but I think so. W.V. Raman, Burkari Raman, I think so. His name is also come, but I don't know who the board selects. But I think so. Gambhir can be a good coach, and we should have someone from India only.
Oh, absolutely. That will work, I believe. But let's also talk about Shubman Gill, who is all set to captain, the next upcoming tour of Zimbabwe. How do you think that's going to proceed?
Yeah, they are trying new options like Shubham Gill is a good option to try to be a captain because he can at least assist Hardik Pandya as his assistant because always with the experience you can become the deputy and then you can take over the charge in the future.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us this morning. We're very sure you've had a great time there in Barbados last night. We will come back to you when we need to, but for now, thanks for joining and giving us your time. And now moving on, well, let's also tell you how Prime Minister Modi reacted to the historic win of a T20 World Cup last night for India.
टीम इंडिया को इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज 140 करोड़ देशवासी आपके इस शानदार प्रदर्शन के लिए गर्व अनुभव कर रहे हैं। खेल के मैदान में आपने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के हर गांव, गली, मोहल्ले में आपने कोटि कोटि देशवासियों का दिल जीत लिया। और ये टूर्नामेंट एक विशेष कारण से भी याद रखी जाएगी। इतने सारे देश, इतनी सारी टीमें और एक भी मैच हारना नहीं, ये छोटी उपलब्धि नहीं है। आपने क्रिकेट जगत के हर महारथी, उनके हर बॉल को खेला और आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त करते रहे। एक के बाद एक विजय की इस परंपरा ने आपके हौसले को तो बुलंद कर दिया, लेकिन इस पूरी टूर्नामेंट को भी रसप्रद बना दिया, रोचक बना दिया। आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त की है। मेरी तरफ से मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।